Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if AI could actually make you money? Like, real, tangible, buy that dream car kind of money? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI, and exploring whether it can truly be your secret weapon to financial freedom. Gemini is not your average chatbot. It's a powerful, multimodal AI that can understand and generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative one way. But can it go beyond just being impressive and actually help you generate income? 1. www.nptechforgood.com www.nptechforgood.com. Now, before we get carried away, let's be realistic. Gemini won't magically print money in your bank account. But it does possess some serious potential to boost your earning power. Here's how. Content creation powerhouse, Gemini can be your ultimate content creation sidekick. Writing, stuck in writer's block? Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas, draft compelling articles, write engaging social media posts, and even pen creative stories. This can be a game changer for bloggers, content marketers, and freelance writers. Video creation, Gemini can assist with script writing, generating engaging video ideas, and even summarizing complex topics into concise and informative video scripts. Image generation, need eye-catching visuals for your content? Gemini can help you generate unique images and graphics that will grab attention. Business efficiency booster, Gemini can streamline your business operations and increase productivity. Customer service, automate customer support interactions with AI-powered chatbots. Gemini can quickly and accurately answer common customer questions, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Market research, Gemini can analyze vast amounts of data to identify market trends, understand customer behavior, and gain valuable insights into your target audience. Personalized marketing, create highly targeted marketing campaigns by leveraging Gemini's ability to personalize messages and tailor them to individual customer preferences. Unlocking new revenue streams, Gemini can help you explore and capitalize on new business opportunities. AI-powered products/services, develop innovative AI-powered products or services, such as personalized AI assistants, AI-driven marketing tools, or even AI-powered educational platforms. Freelancing services, offer your AI-powered content creation, marketing, or business consulting services to other businesses. Acknowledge the challenges and limitations. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some challenges and limitations to consider. Job displacement, the rise of powerful AI like Gemini could potentially displace certain jobs, particularly those that involve repetitive tasks and routine work. Ethical concerns, it's crucial to use AI responsibly and ethically. We need to be mindful of issues like data privacy, bias, and the potential for misuse of AI technology. The human element, while Gemini can be a valuable tool, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. Human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are irreplaceable. So, how can you actually use Gemini to make money? Here are a few practical tips. Identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? Gemini can help you leverage your existing strengths and explore new opportunities. Start small and experiment. Begin by using Gemini for small tasks and gradually increase your reliance on it as you become more comfortable. Continuously learn and adapt. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest advancements in Gemini and other AI technologies. Focus on building valuable skills. Invest in developing skills that complement Gemini's capabilities, such as critical thinking, problem solving, and strategic planning. Can Gemini make you rich? It's not a guaranteed path to riches, but it certainly has the potential to significantly boost your earning power. By leveraging Gemini's capabilities effectively, you can increase your productivity, unlock new revenue streams, and gain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving job market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.